2 weeks ago, I was live on Instagram, and one of the student, he actually was asking a question that I get a lot of times about user experience design process, and which is, what are the essentials of user experience design process? What are the things you have to list down? What are the user interviews, affinity diagram, user stories? What are the essentials? That this is going to be the best answer for this question. What is the most essential part of user experience design process? And I would say usability test or user interviews. Just get 2 or 3 users. You have to interact with them directly. You have to test your competitor's product or your own website. You have to sit down with them. You have to meet them on Zoom or wherever. This is the very, you can say, the backbone of user experience design process. If this is absent, you are actually working on assumptions and you are not sure whether this will work or not. You are just doing heuristic evaluations of user experience, UX reviews, UX audit, but the actual user problem, you might not know why they are doing this or what is happening with your users, what problems they have in their minds, what behaviors they have, why they are looking for this specific information on your website or your web app, what are their workarounds for the problem they are facing on your websites. These are all the questions that can only be answered when you are going to sit down with your users. Record 1 or 2 sessions with them, record their screen, record their facial expressions. It is very easy with a webcam. You can also go live with them on Zoom or any other app, and you can ask them to test this website, or just write 2 or 3 simple tasks for them to perform, and you will get most of the problems, like 80% of the problems in your SaaS app, user experience design problems, or your web app or website. And you can list down them. You can create user persona based on that. So everything you do in your user experience process is going to be based on just 2 or 3 user interviews or user direct or indirect communication with the user. I would really suggest that you sit down with your user, 2 or 3 relevant users, the relevant users of your app, and ask them what is happening, what they do, how, what are the general things that they love doing with your product, how they use your SaaS product, what difficulties they face when they try to complete this task or this task, and ask them, show me how you do it, show me anything else you have, and why haven't you upgraded to the premium, what is stopping you from that. So these are kind of questions that you can ask your user, and there might be something valuable. You are going to get valuable insight from all these user interviews, and this is all. Even if you don't draw any affinity diagrams, even if you don't list any task models or system diagrams or whatever the things are, don't do that. Just sit with your user, and you need to pinpoint his pain points. You have to eliminate those. That is the main focus of user-centered design, user experience design, SaaS UX design, whatever you are doing. You have to eliminate the pain points. You have to investigate first the pain points with the actual users, and then you have to eliminate those pain points with your design solution. That is all. This is all about user experience design and how you design it for your users. I am Mohammad Hassan. I have 20+ years of experience as a user experience design consultant, web designer, web developer, SaaS UX design expert. I help startups with their onboarding flows, revamping their whole SaaS products. This is what I have been doing from last few years. And if you have any project, if you are a SaaS startup, if you want a landing page design for your SaaS startup or your business or your product, do let me know. I have the website over here. prodesign.tech is my website. I will meet you soon in another video. If you have any questions regarding user experience design, you can always ask me in the comment section below. Till then, take care and bye-bye.